Today I'm trying a full face of affordable Catrice makeup. Can cheap drugstore makeup work for mature skin? I have hooded saggy eyes, jowls and marionette lines. Let's see. My face is already moisturized and eyes primed, so let's start. Starting with this light pink, almost white shade all over the lid. For hooded small eyes, light colors extend the lid. Mixing these two pink matte shades, placing higher on the crease for a faux crease and outer V. Repeating several times to build the color. Blending into crease and outer V. Darker pink shade, packing deeper for that. Clean brush to blend edges. Dumb finger pink shimmer, doesn't transfer much, so adding silver shimmer on top. Inner corner and center to open the eye. A lot of fallout, texture is drier, not super pigmented, but works with more time. Nice felt tip. Winged eyeliner is my favorite for lifted eye look. Drawing wing first goes smoothly. Top line, connecting, filling gaps. Looks good and pigmented. Lashes grow downwards, so curling first. Very thin, spoolie, good for precision. Separates well, no clumps, but I need more volume since my lashes are sparse. My brows are thin, sparse, lighter than my hair. Lifting them helps leave the face. Micro pen brushing up first. Top line bit higher, bottom line filling gaps with hair strokes. Natural color, great match. Fragile pen breaks easily, only disadvantage. Adding for color and shape. Like Glam, love it. 2 brushes plus gel. Now they really look right. Both done, very happy with Catrice brow products. One of my favorite products. Silicone mousse leaves skin smooth like glass. Minimizes pores, fine lines, wrinkles. I apply under eyes too, makes under eye wrinkles less visible. Damp sponge, natural semi-matte finish. Not dragging, gently dab and tap. Catrice discontinued it, packaging issues, but you can find leftovers. Very good for me. Bit lighter, placing on spots to lift. Inner corner towards nose, outer corner below liner, center of forehead, bridge of nose, along jawline near mouth for marionette lines and jowls. My favorite concealer. Good coverage, looks amazing on mature skin. With good prep, no creasing. Warming this pale face, applying to lift, not contour. Small dots higher on cheekbones, around hairline, bit on nose sides. Blend upward. This cream bronzer gives sun-kissed look. Absolutely underrated, amazing packaging with glitter, pH reactive, gel texture, look at this stain, so strong and beautiful. My god, gorgeous vibrant pink, need to try on lips, love a good stain. Juicy, glowy, not oily, blend fast with blender until it reacts. Tapping sponge on forehead sides, nose bridge, chin for natural flush. Since lips are stained, just outlining a bit. Like nourishing balm with shimmer, very comfortable and moisturizing. Makeup done, looks healthy, juicy, nice, vibrant, cheerful colors. Overall I'm happy. Let me know how you like it and your favorite Catrice product. See you soon!